Welcome. In this video I will show you how to clear cache on iPad Pro M5. If you want to clear your browser cache, you have to open Settings, then open Apps menu right here. Scroll down to your browser. The default one is Safari, so I'm gonna show it on Safari. Now in Safari, scroll down to the Clear History and Website Data option, tap on it, select the time frame for clearing history, tap Clear History, and after that your cookies, cache, and history, browsing history will be removed from your browser. Now, if you want to clear cache in the applications, there is no direct way to do this, but you can free up some storage. If you go to General, iPad Storage, then you have to select the application, and then you can tap Offload application in order to erase all the data, but leave the documents and data from this app, which will make it easy to restore, so you will be able to restore the application in the same state as you removed it at any moment, and this will also free up some space on your device. Now besides, if you want to clear temporary files, you simply have to restart your device. This works on all Apple Silicon processor devices. Simply hold down the power button and volume down key, then slide to power off, and just wait until your device turns off. And after that, turn your device on by pressing the power button, and this way you will clear the cache, the temporary files on your device. And that's all the ways that you can do that on your iPad. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.